नमस्कार मित्रांनो, माय बेस्ट गुरु चॅनलमध्ये आपले मनापासून स्वागत. आम्हाला प्रोत्साहन देण्यासाठी सबस्क्राईब बटनवर क्लिक करून सबस्क्राईब करून आम्हाला मदत करा. म्हणजे आम्ही तुमच्यासाठी घेऊन येऊ जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओज. तसेच आमच्या नवीन व्हिडिओचे नोटिफिकेशन मिळण्यासाठी घंटीच्या चित्रावर क्लिक करा.
Hello friends, today we'll learn chapter number 18, Observing Space Telescopes. Important topics in this lesson: forms of light, telescopes and types of telescopes, telescopes in space, Indian Space Research Organization into bracket ISRO. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks with the proper words. Point A. The wavelength of visible light is between ... and ... 400 nanometer, 800 nanometer. B. GMRT is used for ... waves. Radio. C. A certain X-ray telescope is named after scientist ... Subramaniam Chandrasekhar. D. The first scientist to use a telescope for space observation was ... Galileo. E. The biggest optical telescope in India is situated at ... Nainital. Question number 2. Form pairs. Inside the column number A, another column B. Point number 1. X-rays. 2. Optical telescope. 3. Indian radio telescope. 4. Launching artificial satellites. Point number 1. GMRT. 2. ISRO. 3. Hubble. 4. Chandra. Answer. Inside the column number, column A, column B. Point number 1. X-rays. Chandra. 2. Optical telescope. Hubble. 3. Indian radio telescope. GMRT. 4. Launching artificial satellites. ISRO. Question number 3. What are the difficulties in using ground-based optical telescopes? How are they overcome? Question mark. Answer. Point number 1. The visible light coming from a heavenly body has to pass through the Earth's atmosphere to reach the Earth's surface. During this journey, some of the light is absorbed by the atmosphere and the intensity of the light reaching the Earth's surface decreases. 2. A second problem is caused by the changes in atmospheric pressure and temperature. These changes cause turbulence in the atmosphere, which in turn cause of the light rays to change their path slightly and thereby shake the position of the image. Also, because of sunlight, we cannot use optical telescopes during the day. During the night, too, city lights and the cloudy weather can cause difficulties in observing the heavenly bodies. 4. To reduce these problems, optical telescopes are situated on top of mountains at uninhabited places. However, if we want to get rid of all the above problems completely, we should place the telescopes above the Earth's atmosphere in space itself. Question number 4. Which types of telescopes can be made using a concave mirror, convex mirror, plane mirror, and a lens? Draw diagrams of these telescopes. Answer. By using a concave mirror, convex mirror, plane mirror, and lens, both Newtonian and Cassegrain types of optical telescopes can be made. Newtonian telescope, concave mirror, eyepiece, light source, plane mirror, light source. Cassegrain telescope, convex mirror, eyepiece, concave mirror, light source, light source. Question number 5. Study the figure and answer the following questions. Point A. What type of telescope is shown in the figure? Answer. Newtonian telescope is shown in the figure. B. Label the main parts of the telescope. Answer. Figure, concave mirror, eyepiece, light source, plane mirror, light source. C. Which type of mirror does the telescope use? Answer. Concave mirror is used in telescope. D. What other type of telescopes uses a curved mirror? Answer. Cassegrain telescope also uses a concave mirror. E. Explain the working of the above telescope. Answer. As shown in figure, the light rays coming from space are reflected by the concave mirror. Before these reflected rays converge at the focus, they are deflected again by a small plane mirror. As a result, they get focused at a point lying on the perpendicular to the axis of the telescope's cylinder. They pass through the eyepiece and we get a magnified image of the source. Question number 6. Answer the following questions. Point A. Explain the construction of Galileo's telescope. Answer. Figure, telescope's source of light, objective lens, eyepiece. Point number 1. Galileo's telescope is made of two lenses. 2. To collect the maximum amount of light coming from a heavenly object, the objective lens is made as as large as possible. 3. Using the light collected by the objective, a smaller lens called the eyepiece produces a large image of the source. 4. Light rays change their direction as they enter a lens from the atmosphere and again when they enter the atmosphere after passing through the lens. This is called refraction. B. Explain the construction of a radio telescope. Answer. Point number 1. Different types of rays received on our Earth cannot be seen with our eyes. 2. Hence, a special type of telescope is used to receive these rays. It is called radio telescope. It is made from one or more dishes of a particular parabolic shape. 3. As in optical telescope, the incident radio waves are reflected by these dishes and converge at the focus. A radio receiver is placed at the focal point. 4. The information gathered by this receiver is passed on to computer, which analyzes it and constructs an image of the source. C. Why are optical telescopes located in uninhabited places on mountains? Answer. Number 1. The visible light coming from heavenly body has to pass through the Earth's atmosphere to reach the Earth's surface. During this journey, some of the light is absorbed by the atmosphere and the intensity of light reaching the Earth's surface decreases. 2. We cannot use optical telescopes during the day. 3. During the night too, city lights and cloudy weather can cause difficulties in observing the heavenly bodies. 4. To reduce these problems, optical telescopes are situated on top of mountains at uninhabited places. D. Why can a X-ray telescope not be based on the Earth? Answer. Point number 1. To observe X-ray emitting object in the space, X-ray telescope was designed. 2. X-rays coming from the space are blocked by Earth's atmosphere. Therefore, an X-ray telescope not be based on the Earth.
आम्हाला प्रोत्साहन देण्यासाठी सबस्क्राईब बटनवर क्लिक करून सबस्क्राईब करून आम्हाला मदत करा, म्हणजे आम्ही तुमच्यासाठी घेऊन येऊ जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओज. तसेच आमच्या नवीन व्हिडिओचे नोटिफिकेशन मिळण्यासाठी घंटीच्या चित्रावर क्लिक करा.